Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce. My name is Sarlian Liani Putri. Here I will present my proposal entitled The Use of YouTube to Improve the Speaking Ability of Class 9 Student of SMPN 1 Jemaja. Okay, next. Chapter 1. Introduction. First, the background of the study. Speaking has a very important social role in human life because speaking is a very vital face-to-face communication tool. In this modern era, English language skills are very necessary because the English step is the most important step used in global communication. Speaking in junior high school is one of the 4 English skills that students must learn. The speaking ability of student is very important for the development of his achievement. It will be clearly different between students who are actively speaking and students who are passively speaking both with friends and class teacher. In improving speaking skills, the use of media is very helpful in the learning process. Learning media is physical means to convey learning content or materials such as books, films, video, and so on. After conducting interview with teacher in the file of English education at SMPN 1 Jemaja, it was found that several problems occurred in class 9 students. The problem is that students' speaking skills are still low. The 9 grades were less activity and more silent in class. The problem factor is because students are afraid of pronunciation, lack of known vocabulary, and don't want to have English conversation with their friends. Teacher at SMPN 1 Jemaja use media in the form of English conversation video tag from YouTube to improve students' speaking skill. The media has not success in improving students' speaking skill. This is due to the lack of student motivation and inappropriate learning strategies because only about 30% of the scores research the minimum competence criteria. Problem identification. Based on the result of interview with teacher at SMPN 1 Jemaja, research found a problem. The problem is the student speaking ability is still low. The factor is the students do not communicate with each other in English because they are not used to it and are afraid of being mispronounced because they are not confident. Next, problem limitation. Based on the identification above, the research focused on speaking skill in using English conversation video on YouTube as a medium in classroom action research in the 9th grade of SMPN 1 Jemaja. Next, problem formulation. Based on the research background, the formulation of the research problem can be formulated as follows. How can YouTube be used to improve the speaking skill of class 9 student of SMPN 1 Jemaja? Okay, next, study objective. The purpose of the research is to find out how English conversation video from YouTube can be used to improve the speaking skill of class 9A student of SMPN 1 Jemaja. Significance of the study. First, theoretically. Theoretically, this research will make a meaningful contribution to ELT teaching English by including exciting theory for teaching understanding of speaking skill. Second, practically. Practically, research hope to use video conversation from YouTube as an alternative medium in learning so as to improve speaking skill in conducting conversation with their group friends. The research help to improve English teacher to improve student skill by choosing the right learning strategy and being able to use English conversation video from YouTube. And for the research, it will provide information for good strategies to improve student reading skill. The research can also apply this strategy to subsequent teaching and learning in the classroom. Next, definition of key terms. First, speaking skill. Speaking skill are skills that enable humans to communicate successfully or better speaking skill can also convey information verbally and in a way that can be researched by listening. Second, learning strategy. The learning strategy is a combination of several series of activity, how to organize the subject matter, material, equipment, and time used by students for the learning process in achieving the objective of learning activity that have been determined. Third, YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing web-based mass media that facilitates it used to share video that are on or just enjoy various video uploaded by various YouTube users. Last, video conversation. Video conversation is one of the audio-visual media because we see image and hear sound in video conversation. We can see and listen to conversation between two or more people. Next, chapter 2, review of the relate literature. I will explain review of relate theories. First, speaking skills. Speaking skills are skills that enable a person to communicate effectively. By having good speaking skills, someone will convey information in a way that is good and can be understood by listening. Second, speaking skill competent. Speaking skill is a skill learning English that use sound and word to express idea, talk opinions, and feeling. In this study, the research used 5 components of speaking skill according to Harris. First, understanding. Second, grammar. Third, vocabulary. Fourth, pronunciation. 5, plus fluency. Okay, next, talking activity in class. There are several activities in teaching speaking English. As an English teacher, you must create a live classroom that requires students to learn activity according to Harvard 2007. There are several activities that are used in the classroom to encourage the development of speaking in students. The first activity is a communication game. The second activity is role play or simulation. The third activity is storytelling. The last activity is discussion. Okay, next, learning strategy is an effort to use a systematic strategy that is carried out in effective way. This is done to get an assessment and also success learning activity. Especially in the world of education, strategy can be interpreted as and designed well as a method in achieving its goals. Okay, next, YouTube. YouTube is a web-based video sharing mass media that facilitates its use to share video that are on or just enjoy various video uploaded by various YouTube users. Last, video conversation. Video conversation is one of the audiovisual media because we see image and hear sound in video conversation. We can see and listen to conversation between two or more people. There are a lot of video conversation on YouTube. Okay, next, review of the relate finding. This is research is about improving speaking skill. This is research also include classroom action research to improve the ongoing learning of speaking skill. Okay, next, this is conceptual framework. First, reconnaissance. Next, planning, acting, observing, reflecting, and successful concluding and stop the action, or file, revising the plan and connecting the next cycle. Okay, next, chapter 3, research method, design of the study. In the study, the research used classroom action research according to Havel 2007, which status and that classroom action research is a strategies ways to improve the learning process in the classroom. In addition to the purpose of classroom action research is closely related to one desired to improve learning practice in the classroom. Classroom action research design used in this study is a cycle process adapted from the model proposed by Kmis and MC Taggart 1992. Research classroom action is a dynamic process that takes place in one or more cycles, and each cycle consists of 4 moments in a spiral of planning, action, observation, and reflection. In Picture 3.1, it can be seen that it consists of 2 cycles. For actual implementation, the number of cycles is very dependent on the problem that needs to be solved. Okay, next, location and time of study. The research location was conducted at SMPN 1 Jemaja, which is located at Jalan Merdeka Letung Village, Jemaja, Direct Anambas Islands, Regency. Next, the subject of the study. This research was conducted in the second semester of class 9 SMPN 1 Jemaja in the academic year 2022 or 2023. The research to class 9, which considered of 24 students. Okay, next, procedure of the study. First, planning. This is done to improve students' speaking skill. Research tend to use video conversation from YouTube as the medium. It is hoped that by using video conversation from YouTube as a medium, students will improve their speaking skill. First, prepare lesson plan based on teaching material. Second, prepare the ingredients. Third, prepare the test instrument. Okay, next, acting. The second step that the research will take is to act. In the second step, cycle 1 consists of 3 meetings. The first, second, and second meeting are for the implementation of the teaching scenario, and the third meeting is a test. Okay, next, observation. The third step of class action research is observing. Observation activities will be carried out. During the activity, observation aims to observe the participant and performance of the student or the role of the teacher by using video conversation from YouTube. First, research observe student activities when playing video conversation and practice them. Second, research record the result of observation in class. And last, reflection. After carrying out all the action using video conversation from YouTube as a medium and all data collection, data analysis was carried out. Research analysis data that determine the success of using video conversation from YouTube in solving classroom problems. If the treatment is successful, then the research will stop and conclude the data, and if the treatment fails, the research will revise and plan and move on to the next cycle. Okay, next, the technique of collecting the data. Research used two types of classroom action research data collection. There are two kinds of data collection, namely qualitative and quantitative data. Okay, next, research instruments. In the research that will be conducted, there are two variables, namely student speaking skill in group conversation and video conversation media from YouTube. To measure the exciting variable used research instruments that use the observation test method. First, observation checklist. Observations were made to determine the situation of the teaching and learning process during the learning process by using video conversation from YouTube. Second, speaking test. The speaking test, the research prepare a grade with the test line used in this study based on the component of speaking skill that had been selected to be used as research material. This is done to simplify the measurement process. The test grid is equipped with an assessment rubric as a good, and the speaking skill score is divided by the subject. Okay, next, the technique of analysis data. To find find out the student speaking skill test, the test 1 analysis using the following two steps. First, correcting and marking student performance using the following rubric adopted from Bron 2004. After scoring the student speaking performance, that research analysis, the data analysis direct the research to interpret the data to arrive at a conclusion. Second, score analysis using the formula below, Peirce 2007. The last, the criteria of success based on the problems in the preliminary studies that previously student got an average speaking score of 50. The success criteria were formulated as the average score of student speaking should be 70. Okay, I think that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.